Want to make a difference? Vote. Your vote is your voice. It's how you choose the people who make decisions that affect your life. From schools to roads to healthcare, elections shape our communities. Every vote counts. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Your vote is powerful. It's your chance to be heard. Ready to rock the vote? Voting is one of the most important ways to make your voice heard in a democracy. But before you can cast your ballot, you need to know where to go. First, find your polling place. This is the location where you'll go to vote on Election Day. It's crucial to know this ahead of time to avoid any last-minute confusion. That's where you cast your ballot on Election Day. Here's how. First, check online. The internet is a great resource for finding your polling place quickly and easily. Visit your state's election website. Each state has its own site dedicated to election information, making it a reliable source. Look for Find Your Polling Place or something similar. This tool is designed to help you locate your designated voting location. Next, enter your information. You'll need to provide your name, address, and maybe your date of birth. This information helps ensure that you're directed to the correct polling place. Then get your polling place. The website will process your information and display the address of your polling location. The website will tell you where to vote. Write it down. It's a good idea to note the address somewhere safe, like your phone or a piece of paper. Can't find it? Call your local election office. They're there to help. If you're having trouble finding your polling place online, don't hesitate to reach out. Easy, right? Now you're one step closer to making your voice heard. Voting is a powerful way to participate in your community and influence the future. So get ready, get informed, and get out there to vote. Imagine this. It's Election Day. You're pumped to vote, but you don't know where to go. Stressful, right? Knowing your polling place ahead of time saves you time and hassle. Plus, you can plan your day. Figure out when you'll vote and how you'll get there. No last-minute scrambling. Section 4, Election Day. What to expect. Election Day is an important event in our democratic process, and knowing what to expect can help make your experience smooth and stress-free. You found your polling place. You're ready to vote. As you arrive, you might see a line of fellow citizens waiting to cast their ballots. Don't worry, this is normal, especially during peak hours. Here's what to expect. First, check in. Approach the registration desk where an election worker will assist you. They will verify your identity and ensure you are registered to vote at that location. Show your ID if it's required in your state. Next, get your ballot. The poll worker will hand you either a paper ballot or direct you to an electronic voting machine depending on your location. You might vote on a machine or with a paper ballot. Then, make your choices. Take your time to read each candidate's name and the questions on the ballot. Be sure to read each question carefully. Some questions might be about local issues or amendments to state laws. Make sure you understand each one before making your selection. Just follow the instructions to submit your vote. If you're using a paper ballot, insert it into the ballot box. If you're voting electronically, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your vote. Congratulations, you've exercised your right to vote. Don't forget to pick up your I voted sticker on your way out. It's a small token of your participation in democracy. Well done. Section 5, Beyond the Ballot Box. Voting is crucial, but it's not the only way to make a difference. While casting your ballot is a fundamental part of democracy, there are many other ways to contribute to the community and influence change. Get involved in your community. Volunteer your time and skills to local organizations, whether it's helping at a food bank, tutoring students, or participating in a neighborhood cleanup. Your efforts can have a significant impact. Help register voters or work at a polling place. These roles are essential for ensuring that elections run smoothly and that everyone has the opportunity to vote. Additionally, contact your representatives to voice your concerns and suggestions, share your views on important issues, attend town hall meetings, participate in local government, and use social media to raise awareness about causes you care about. Staying engaged and vocal can drive meaningful change. Read news from reliable sources. Staying informed about current events and understanding different perspectives is crucial for making educated decisions and having informed discussions. Remember, democracy is a team sport. It requires the collective effort of individuals working together towards common goals. Collaboration and unity are key. We all have a role to play. By taking action beyond the ballot box, we can build stronger, more resilient communities and a more inclusive democracy. Section 6. Your vote, our future. Your vote is an investment in our future. It's a chance to shape the world we want to live in. So find your polling place, mark your calendar, and vote. Together, we can make a difference.